Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how brand-generated content and user-generated content influence Gen Z's purchase intention, especially in the context of sustainable fashion. Gen Z is constantly exposed to content on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. This study explores how brand-created posts and also content created by users affect whether Gen Z actually wants to buy a product or not. The key question is, what type of content truly motivates Gen Z to purchase? The first main idea is that brand-generated posts on social media strongly influence how young consumers perceive sustainability. When brands share posts about eco-friendly materials, ethical production, or sustainability goals, Gen Z begins to associate those values with the brand. According to the article, when peers share real experience with sustainable fashion, it decreases purchase intention more than traditional ads alone. This is because Gen Z trusts authentic voices, real people showing real products, more than corporate market messages. Seeing someone their age wearing sustainable fashion makes the product feel more relevant and trustworthy. The researchers emphasize that interactions like likes, comments, and shares, short videos such as Reels, are crucial for driving purchase intentions. Engagement shows interest and also creates a sense of community. This topic is relevant to digital marketing because it shows how content strategy and audience psychology work together. It helps students and marketers understand how marketing theory becomes real life practice, and also especially when targeting Gen Z. A real world example should be an eco friendly challenge. Gen Z users could post videos showing their favorite eco friendly outfits, and also this creates user-generated content, boosts engagements, and spreads sustainability messages in a natural way also. This article also suggests areas for future research. For example, studying other platforms like YouTube Shorts, comparing different cultures or regional markets, and also exploring how AI-driven content and influencer affect trust and sustainability perceptions. To conclude, social media marketing in sustainable fashion isn't just about pushing ads. It's about creating authentic connections. It's about encouraging engagement and letting real voices be part of the brand story. Both brand content and user generated content matter. In my opinion, this article highlights something very powerful about modern digital marketing. People don't just want information anymore, but they want community, they want honesty and authenticity. Gen Z wants to feel represented and heard, and brands that understand this will be more successful in the long run. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to like, comment, or share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about user-generated content sustainability, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.